There are some kinds of love we don't know how to name. They walk right beside us, silent all the same. They're hiding in the night when the world's asleep, in the trembling hands, in the hearts that weep. I saw love in my mother's tired eyes when she woke up long before sunrise. Her aching back, but she held it all. When everything crashed, he refused to fall. I saw love in the mistakes of my dad, in the heavy quiet, in the look he had. He never spoke much, but he stayed near. Sometimes love is just, I'm still here, mind a spirit. All these ties of love, one single heart beating, holding up our days from our land to the stars above, deep beneath our skin. I know the love of brothers who fight, throwing heavy words like stones in the night, and still right there in the eye of the storm, they keep a space to say I love you in their own form. I saw love in my grandmother's skin. Her wrinkles told stories and prayers from within. She reached for my hand without a speech. In that simple touch, love was within reach. Love is the neighbor who shares her bread, the old man watching over from his window instead, the child who smiles with empty hands. It's stay with me whispered without end, on a spirit. All these ties of love, one single heart beating, holding up our days from our land to the stars above, deep beneath our skin. Love isn't always gentle or kind. Sometimes it breaks you before it clears your mind. It tears off your mask, pushes you to choose between your pride and the healing you refuse. It hides in the plate, waiting on a table in the get home safe. Said soft, almost a fable in a simple text. If you need me, I'm here, even if that person lives nowhere near. I love my people when they sing and complain, when they fall down, rise up, fight through the pain. Cause beneath our anger and our different skins, there's the same need for someone to let us in. Mind a spirit, a journey without border, one same blood